Welcome back to the Sysadmin Lab. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create step-by-step bulk Active Directory users in Active Directory Windows Server 2022 with CSV file and PowerShell. I have configured Active Directory in Windows Server 2022 in my previous video. Please go check out if you missed it. I'll put the link in description below. Let's get started. In real-life scenario in organizations, human resource team share list of users for upcoming new employees onboarding. HR team shares these lists somewhere around the user joining. So list could be 5-10 users, or it could hundreds of users. That completely depends on the size of your organization. But this method of creating users will help you in all scenarios. Because we have to update a lot of attributes of users also to identify users easily. And creating users one by one is also most challenging task for all size of organizations where users' information needs to be filled. User email ID, designation, location and their reporting manager are few examples of user information. Before we move forward to create an CSV file with the list of users we received from the HR team. Firstly, we should have information about where these all users needs to be created. For example, I have created two OU for this demo. One is for US and another one is for UK users and computers. This helps to separate from different location and very useful when we apply group policies. To check the OU distinguished name to add in bulk user CSV. Go into View and click on Advanced Feature button. With this we can see now more options under Active Directory which are always hidden until we enable them from here. Now right-click on OU and click on Attribute Editor. Find Distinguished Name attribute and click on View. Then select the showing path and copy. Once copied, save in Notepad or anywhere you want. This will be used for our bulk user creating operations. Now here is the PowerShell script which we use for this demo to create bulk users with CSV file. In this file we have defined CSV file location and other attributes which we want information to be updated in user properties, like domain ID, user display name and so on. Next is here a sample CSV file with all required user information parameters. We can adjust these parameters according to our needs. Copy the OU distinguished name path here in CSV file. Let me show you one example. How we fill this information within few minutes on the basis of basic information we received from HR team. Generally, HR only provides first and last name of user, department, company name and manager information. Rest we need to create here in this bulk CSV. I'll show you here how you can use your Excel knowledge to finish this task in few minutes, doesn't matter the count of user. I'll share the link for this demo bulk CSV file along with PowerShell script to make your life easier. So let's start, let's learn some basic Excel too. Suppose we have list of 100 users and we just have user first name, last name, manager name and employee ID. Now we have to merge information together to create a PowerShell readable format. We'll use here concatenate feature of Excel. Please follow these steps showing here. Firstly, We need user SAM account name from user first name and last name. Every organization have different way to use user domain ID naming convention. I am using here first name dot last name. And then SAM way will create user principal name, which is complete dependent on your domain name you have. For this lab purposes I have demo.local my Active Directory domain name. Another important thing. You just have to perform this concatenate work for one user only. Then you just have to drag the corner and all information will be filled and showing here. For this demo I have already prepared a list of 50 user along with required information. I'll just simple paste this information in sample file. Make sure you save this file in .csv format. Please rename the file accordingly and also make sure you use the SAM name in PowerShell script to avoid any errors. Now go to Start and select Windows PowerShell ISE and open with Administrator. Once it's open, select New Script from here and paste this script. Now make sure you have your .csv file location placed in the location as per mentioned in PowerShell script, else you'll get error. Once you are sure everything of this work is in place, just click on Run Script from the top green button. And here is magic happen. It seems I have some duplicate users in the list. Anyways, I am ignoring this error for this demo as this is a lab. Now go back to Active Directory users and computer and click on Refresh. Now go to the OU we choose to create our bulk user. And there you go. We have all our listed users created within seconds. Also, if you noticed, we have all user information which we added in our .csv file. There are ways with which we can update all this information anytime, with the help of PowerShell and CSV file. Congratulations, you have learned now how you can create hundreds of users in Active Directory within few minutes. That's all for today's video. Now we'll see you in next video with new tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in next video. Till then, stay safe.